Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to EasyAlgo. Welcome to EasyAlgo YouTube channel. I will check my mic second. Give me a second, guys. All right, working perfectly. So we'll start from BTC. All right. Okay. So yesterday we was discussing about BTC and other tokens. Correct. So first we'll just look the BTC. All right. So yeah, you just we was waiting to come here, right? So you can see this area, like in H1 and H4, this area, right? So we was waiting from this area, and you just see it did reach here, but we have rules in Trendex. You know that. So the rules, the Trendex rules, if you know, you'll understand how to take these trades. So I'll just show you the Trendex. Yeah, I'll hide the drawings. All right. Just you can see here this area. So this is our weekly Trendex, and the weekly Trendex is a wide weekly Trendex. But still, we can find a trade. Like how, Mike? So is it my voice clear, guys? Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, we'll discuss. So just look at this. It took support from a weekly Trendex. So accuracy, okay, but if you can find your trade in 5 minutes. So the 5 minute chart is here. So according to the Trendex rules, when candles are above weekly, we should look a long position, right? The previous day low and S1. So you just see this is the previous day low. So wait for a candlestick pattern in 5 minutes. Just see the result, guys. Our first target done. The second target even hit at the second target itself. All right. And yesterday I post a signal in Discord. You just look at this. So I posted a ton USDT, right? Yesterday I posted, and you just look at this. So we'll go to the 5 minute chart. You just look this, guys. So I told we should look long positions when it if its candles are above daily trend, we should look long positions. Correct. So candles came down here after crossing this, immediately went without retest. Finally, it came for a retest, maybe near on UK session. So the first target has done. Correct. When you take any trade near a trend X, just keep your stop loss below a trend X. Okay, just keep your stop loss below a trend X, and I mentioned in group that just close your positions and you just look this successful hit, right? So this was perfect. And the second trade yesterday I gave here on YouTube, Brett USDT. You can see this, guys. Yesterday I showed very clearly that you should look a long positions from this level, and it tapped. Okay, so it tapped, it made a hammer candle near our zone. Correct. So you can see the accuracy. So like I'll just remove this. So I just, you just go and check yesterday video. I told this is our entry, and we need candlestick candle, and we got a hammer candle. And you just see after this almost it went, let me check. So it went almost from this area, from here 10%. We got a 10% more. Correct. So this was a very good trade, and thank you so much for confirmation, guys. My voice is clear, right? Thank you so much. So we got this trade. So my point is, the retest is very important. So whenever I say wait for a retest, so if it's not coming today, we should wait for a next day. So this entry maybe you can see in 5 minutes. Again, if candles are above weekly, we should look along positions. Now the area where we are looking along positions, the same area exactly we have previous day low and S1. You know Trendex rules, right? You just look at this, started from this area and exactly hit the all target, daily target has done. Right? So we'll move on to the next chart. And one more chart I was discussing, I'll just show you guys. It was a DAR USDT, and I mentioned that this is the zone you should look along positions. So it was struggling, correct? It was struggling, but still it was in profit. It was struggling to go up and it came down. Now this is the area that you will understand when you go to the 5 minutes chart. Again the same, when candles are above weekly, we should look along positions from previous day low and S1. Now this is a S1. Just wait for a candlestick confirmation. So we got a bullish engulf here, we got hammers, we got like everything we can see here. We got a hammer here, hammer, so here one. So this is a bullish engulf candle, so this is a bullish engulf candle, so this is the actually bullish candle, bullish engulf. So you can, like I mentioned so many times in training, so when you see these kind of candles, we should take our trade here and stop loss below the recent low. The first target, the second target, like all the target has done in one single session. So now it's done. Just look at this. So now this went almost, let me see. So from, okay, let me see in 5 minutes. Okay, from here to here. So 4%, almost 5%. Correct? Just focus a trend X. Okay, so now for tomorrow. So if you want any signal, right? Like if you're looking any good setup, I'll just find one. Give me a moment. So yeah, we have on XLM USDT, we got a breakout like this. I was discussing on maybe Tuesday. Okay, remember we got a beautiful breakout. Now we need a retest. So wait to candle to reach this area. Okay, so wait to candle to reach this area, then from this area you should plan your trade. Stop loss below this zone. Remember, until we don't see any candlestick pattern, we are not going to take the trade. If you see any kind of rejections, big wick with yeah, this just like this. So if you see any big wicks, right, like this, so if candle close inside this zone, right, So you can try your trade with a small stop loss. Keep your stop loss below the candle, the wick. So try to, don't forget to keep your stop loss, guys. Okay, and the target, as usual, a weekly resistance. I'll just show you. So these are the resistance. The first target will be a 0.09910. You can look on this corner. So this is our target, the first target. Okay. Yes. So now I'll just show you the liquidities. So yeah, we have the same. We have the same area that we have liquidity here and here. This it can be a maybe it will take time to reach here, but yes, we have already a liquidity at this place. So wait for a retracement. Okay, then you can try your trade. Make sure until you don't see any candlestick pattern, don't execute any trade. And sometimes, guys, sometimes what will happen? So the market they'll drop here, then they'll start going up, just like BTC. So make sure before taking any trades, candlestick pattern is very important. So many, like, I'll just take all comments, guys. 1 second. Okay, relogic trade. Okay, say, sir, look at this chart, like what I'm showing. So we don't. I'll just show you. 1 second. Give me a moment. Yeah. So we always wait for a price to come near our zone. Okay, so we are not like that, like just go into 1 minute and find the trades. Always we try to take a big targets, just like this. You just see this. So our trades, see, our trades will be from this area and target will be this. Okay, so you can try. So if you want to join, you can join our EasyAlgo. We have 3 days trial. You will understand how our indicator works. All right. Okay. This is the signal, guys. Don't forget, candlestick pattern is very important. If it's coming here, then yes, wait for a candlestick pattern. Then this journey will continue. The first target is our the first liquidity, and the same place we have previous week high and R1 weekly R1. Okay, once it reach there, book some 80 to 90% profit. Hold at least 10 to 5%. It's up to you. You can hold. Okay, and I suggest that we have to hold for a swing trades. Okay, yeah, we'll go further. Okay, I'll just see any other signal, but you make sure to remember this, guys. Okay, and yesterday what I was showing, the Brett USDT. Just if you concentrate here, or if you just ping me, message me there in group. I was seeing this because we got very good candle. You just look at this, really amazing, right? So we got exactly a candle, hammer candle, and you just look at this. And I told, so we have a zone above, should reach there. Today we was discussing in a group, right, like Discord group on UK session. I was discussing this. So I was showing the daily time frame there. Okay, so I was showing the daily time frame. You maybe know that. So we should wait to till here. If you are holding at least 5 to 10%, then our target, ultimately a target is this. Okay, so we'll just look at another. So I think one signal is enough, because and you know that before I'm giving like the signals what I gave it, actually we don't give any signals, but I want to give that, I want to show how accurately it will work our indicator, right? And yes, I'm happy to help everyone. So we'll just check other any token. 1 second. Just you look this how it's taking support, right? The only reason we are not taking these trades, all the last week we got very good move. For that reason, we are not taking, we are not finding any trades this week. API 3, so A8. Let me check. Yeah. So gas USDT. Yeah, even the gas USDT is sideways because last week we got a very good trade. And guys, if you are a new for this YouTube channel, so this is the indicator where we trade, and we have some other indicators that will show you liquidities, and you just look this how in liquidity shows here before itself, right? Like non-repeat indicators. These all indicators are price action indicators, and you just see after grabbing the liquidity, we can see the shooting star candle. So once it reach here, we should close our trades. We should book at least 90% or 80%. Okay, and I'll show one more indicator to enter. So this, if I'll just show you this indicator with ATRX. Just look this. It's showing us to keep your stop loss below this green line. Just look at this, guys. If you are new here, fine. But the old members who are in EasyAlgo, you just look at this. So when it comes near a support or yeah, S1, then we should look along positions. Yeah, wait for a candlestick pattern. So we got a bullish engulf. The stop loss keep your below ATRX. Just follow the ATRX, and you know to book the profit. The daily targets, you know, right? The daily trend X. So continue. Just look at this. Not only this, I'll just show you the BTC. Even the BTC works same. Just look at this. We got a bullish engulf candle. This is the first confirmation we got. Done. Just take your trades from this. Keep your stop loss. You just look at this ATR, how it's following the a trend. Correct? You just look at this. And if you are interested in gold trading, XAUSD, so this is how our indicator works, guys. Just look at this. So before itself, it shows us the targets. So the next targets, it's already showing us 2728. Yes, but it's now market is reached already all-time high. I don't suggest that we should look along positions because every day we are seeing a high. Let's wait for a pullback. And if I show you the same thing in 5 minutes, just look at this. If candles are above daily trend X, this is how it will take a support, and we should look along positions. And in our group, they are making very good profit who are taking the trades in on gold. You just look at this. Look at this. Here. Today, you just see here. So we have a trend X rules. We have our rules here. So once candle close above this, then we'll start finding the trades when it comes to retest. Our stop loss will be below this. Until it will not close above this properly, we are not going to take any trades. And you just look at this. Almost we got more than 250 pips from this place. So we got a hammer here, and yes, 250 pips. Alright, so this is how it works. And yeah, thanks for joining, guys. And uh, before going that again, I'll just want to show you that signal XLM USDT. So wait for a pullback. Okay, wait for a pullback. Maybe it can come from here or maybe from here. Then you just take your trades from wherever we get until you don't see any a bullish candle. So don't take that trade. And remember, if it's not coming today, tomorrow our daily trend X is there to help you. If the candles are above daily trend X, then our trade will start from a daily trend X. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining. We'll meet tomorrow again in Discord. Okay, take care, guys.